It looks like blood. Slight problem. I'm a brunette. You're having a party. This is really good. Hey guys, what's up? It's Megan. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is going to be all about TikTok. I don't know about you guys, but I have been obsessed with TikTok for a couple months now, and especially now with quarantine, I have been even more obsessed with it. I was looking at my screen time on my phone. TikTok, I don't even want to admit how much time I've spent on TikTok since quarantine started. Those hours are like equivalent to days. It's a little scary. Honestly, I'm very grateful for TikTok because it's a great way to distract yourself from everything going on in the world. I just made a list of like a couple of the weird fun trends I've been seeing and the things that I've wanted to buy / try, and I'm gonna try them for you guys on camera today. Make sure you guys go follow me on my TikTok. I will have it linked down below if you guys wanna go check it out. So anyways, I think with all that being said, we should just go ahead and get right on into the video. The woe is definitely not the same on TikTok as it was when it first became a thing. I don't know if I'm remembering this incorrectly, but the woe used to be like that, not like that. Maybe they're two separate things. Comment down below because I think that I'm not the only person who remembers this being the woe. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. So the first thing I actually already set up, I got it on Amazon. I couldn't even wait to like film this video. You guys have seen the TikTok lights. They're basically just like LED strip lights that people have like around their room. I got mine from Amazon. I'm not going to link mine down below because I have some issues with them that we'll get into in a second, but I will link some down below that have better reviews than mine. So the lights that I ordered claimed to be Bluetooth. I like saw a thing where you could like download an app and then you could like change the color on your phone, so you could kind of make it like the exact color you wanted to instead of like picking one from a remote. Also with that, you could like play music and it would sync your lights to the music, which I thought is just a cool feature. So I actually paid like $10 extra for these lights because I wanted those features, and then none of them worked. The app that it told me to use was called Lotus Lantern. It said that the app would automatically connect to the Bluetooth in your lights. I tried for like an hour and a half on this app, like scouring the internet to try to figure out why my stuff is not connecting. It had been just like a faulty set of lights. I contacted the seller on Amazon, but they haven't gotten back to me yet. I don't know, I might have just gotten scammed slightly, but that's okay because I still really like the lights. I honestly don't even know how much I would have used the music feature. It just would have been nice to have like an app that I could have made specific colors on. I have my lights plugged in like back over here. It's like plugged into this outlet and then runs up my wall. I have to figure out like a more attractive way to set that up, but let me show you guys what these look like when they're on. This is so cool. Wait, I like the lighting like this. I've not filmed like with the lights on. I like this. Different colors. Here's green, here's blue, disco mode. So it just looks like you're having a party in here. So yeah, this is the remote. Like I said, it's like the most basic version it seems like, which is a little bit disappointing, especially because I paid more than most of the prices I was seeing for the features. So that kind of sucks, but overall, I still really like these lights. I think they're really fun. I just realized I haven't showed you guys what they actually look like. Funny because I feel like these lights aren't necessarily like my vibe. Like if you go on my Pinterest, this is not matched like the boho vibes that I normally try to go for. But the nice thing is because they're like a white strip, when you turn them off, you can't really even tell that they're there. And so yeah, like I said, this is the weird little setup I have right now that my dad and I put up yesterday. These were like one of the things on TikTok that I really wanted for whatever reason. So anyways, we have these lights. I'm excited. I'm gonna give these a thumbs up because I think they're so just fun. If I were giving this a rate out of 10, I would do 7 out of 10 and only giving it a lower rating because I got scammed slightly. The lights themselves, 10 out of 10. I think they're so fun. The next thing I'm going to be trying is the Ordinary Peeling Solution. It's like the bright red face mask. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I had only seen it a couple times. It's like a super intense red face mask, and honestly, it's kind of freaking scary. I'm like scared to use it. I've heard that it's painful. I'm not really looking forward to this, but people did say that it made their skin feel really nice, so pain is beauty. I went ahead and ordered this from Sephora. It was like $8. I'll have it linked down below. I'll actually have everything that I try in this video linked down below. I ordered this. This got here about a week ago. I sprayed it down with Lysol and I've been letting it sit by our front door for like the past week, so I'm pretty sure that we're good. So it's like a 10-minute exfoliating facial, but you literally just like put it on your face and then wash it off. So it's not like a scrub or a peel off mask, I don't think. Literally, this looks terrifying. It's just kind of intense looking, and the fact that I know it's a chemical peel and it kind of hurts to use, it's just a little scary. The plan was to put a towel down and just do this in my room for lighting's sake, but looking at the color of this, I don't think that's a good idea with my very white carpets. So I'm gonna go into my bathroom, take off my makeup, and we will try this out. Okay, we're in the bathroom, makeup is off. I feel like I'm on like Vampire Diaries. Fun fact, blood freaks me out. I'm gonna pretend this is grape jelly. It's just jelly. Yeah, like fruit jelly. We're fine, it's fine. I'm like waiting for the part where it starts to hurt you, so I don't know like how much to rub this in, so I'm gonna leave it at this. Oh, that looks scary. I definitely feel it working. I think I was mostly worried about this because I have really sensitive skin. Even like growing up, if I use certain things on my face, like certain types of sunscreen, it would like burn like crazy. So I was really worried that it was gonna be that kind of feeling. It's almost more like an itchy feeling. It's not like a crazy like stinging, burning sensation. A lot of the reviews online were like, oh no, it's like a chemical peel. So like it kind of burns your face. So I was very worried. Ow. Stings a little bit more on my nose than the rest of my face. This is what it looks like. It looks crazy. It is starting to sting a little bit more. It's kind of like tingly-ish. It said to leave it on for no more than 10 minutes. I have like 7-ish more to go. It definitely looks like blood. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this off my face and I'll update you guys on how my skin feels. I wasn't recording while I was washing it off, but when I started to like wipe it off my skin, it started to burn way more than it was while it was on. It's just like literally as I would like wipe it off, it started to feel weird. My skin is super freaking soft. Like my skin feels great. It is a little pink. I don't know if it's like dyed almost from the mask or if it's like the reaction from the mask. I'm assuming it's the reaction from the mask actually. It feels very similar to what my skin feels like after I do a peel off mask. Obviously I'm not a skincare professional or anything like that, but I feel like this is like less harsh on your skin than like ripping off a face mask would be, you know? Yeah, overall I like this. I was really scared to use it because I thought it was gonna like hurt my face, but it really wasn't bad at all. So yeah, giving this a thumbs up. I would definitely try it if you guys are interested. It's also only like $8. Okay, so for this next thing, I'm in my parents' bathroom, so I apologize for the echo, but I wanted to be in here because they have a huge window in here and my bathroom the lighting was not cutting it. So basically, a couple months ago on TikTok, I've been seeing that you could take this L'Oreal root cover up and then like basically dye your hair brown, and not actually dye it brown, but like just temporarily see what it would look like brown. I've wanted to try this forever, but I've been so scared to do it. Considering the fact that we're in quarantine and I'm not gonna really see anybody, it doesn't matter that much. I feel like if there's a time to do it, it is now. I'm really excited to try this because I've been blonde my whole life. This is not like my natural hair color, but it is naturally blonde. I've also not gotten my hair done since December. This is my root situation. This color up here is my natural color. So just like a dirtier blonde. Okay, I don't know how to actually do this. I was expecting it to look more like a hairspray bottle. Oh my god, ignore my nails. They're something. So I'm gonna go change into something that I don't really care about. All of my clothes are at my apartment in Orlando. I was not prepared to be home for this long, so I don't have anything. I don't know, maybe I'll like put on a tank top or something and then wrap a towel around me. We'll figure it out. Just going to like tie this towel around my body and hope for the best, honestly. Can I section off my hair? I don't know how to do any of this. We're gonna just go for it. Oh my god, Ginger, Kristen, my hairdressers, if you guys see this, I'm so sorry. We're just trying. It's not looking very even, so I'm gonna bring in my dad to come help me with this. He has no idea I'm doing this. I need your help because I can't see like what I'm doing. It just comes out like this. Yeah. Okay. Oh. looks crazy. Could you imagine if I had dark hair?
Figure out.
No! You wanna do me a big favor? Wanna run to CVS?
No.
Please?
No, you.
I don't wanna go with my hair like
It
this.
looks fine.
Well, we have a slight problem. This is the current look. I just feel like I don't even look like myself. It's freaking me out. Also, if I like play with my hair at all, it like sticks up straight. It's just like super matted. It feels really gross actually. I needed to run by Target to get some groceries for us anyways. I feel like I've been like the designated grocery person, so I think I might run out and do that and then grab a bottle of this while I'm out. I just like don't want to go out with my hair looking like this. I think I'm gonna try and do the rest of this myself, or like at least like finish off some of it and then have my dad come back in and like do the parts that I missed. I'm gonna make sure I get these bottom pieces. I'm gonna brush it out, but I think we are nearing completion. Hey Dad, Curtis, will you come help me finish this? That went quick.
That's it.
Well, there we go. That is my hair. I feel like this side looks pretty solid. This side's a little iffy. This side's still lighter than this side, so that's yikes. So I kind of like it. Like, I feel like this would be so fun to like actually have. So I don't know if I would actually ever do this for real, but I like it. I kind of vibe with it. Like, it's kind of cool. I don't know. It's just weird. It's just weird because I've never had dark hair. I'm a brunette. I'm just gonna FaceTime all my friends and show them. Hi.
What the fuck? Did you really?
Hi.
Did you dye it? Oh, that's fake. That's fake. Okay, God. What did you do? I don't know what to think.
Do you like it?
No.
Ryan!
No, like, it doesn't look bad. It's just weird. What did you use to dye it?
Hey.
Whoa. I almost like, whoa, he's a new person. I know. Yo. Great, by the way. Oh, I like it.
Thanks.
Naturally blonde?
Yeah.
No.
Mhm.
Oh, you are naturally.
Yeah, I'm more like dirty blonde. I've always been blonde, so it's really weird. But anyways, this is the brown hair. It's really strange to look at myself like this. This is definitely not something that you could like spray in your hair and like wear out somewhere, just because, I mean, I guess you could, but I feel like my hair looks dead and feels really gross too. And I feel like when I run my hands through my hair, it's like coming off on my hands. But I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. This is really cool. It's really kind of fun to see myself with dark hair. Alright you guys, so the last thing we are going to be trying in this video is the TikTok whipped coffee. I feel like this has been a trend for like well over a month, but I've been waiting to try it until I could try it on camera with you guys. So I just woke up. I feel like it's an appropriate time to try this. You need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. So I have that right here. It's decaf ground house blend from Publix. And then you need 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then you just mix it all together until it's whipped. A lot of people say this coffee is too sweet for them, which is a good sign for me. I like really, really, really sweet coffee. I feel like this is getting me nowhere, so we're gonna switch to an electric mixer. This is just like straight up not working. I feel like I'm doing something wrong because I've been at this for 5 minutes whipping this coffee with an electric mixer. I don't even feel like I'm seeing a change. I don't know how I mess this up though, because it's just 3 ingredients. 20 minutes. It looks like this. I feel like it doesn't look like anything different. I literally pulled up a chair and got a snack while I was doing this. I don't know what to do. I don't know if like, does decaf coffee not work? My dad and brother just took our boat out and I told them I wanted to stay here to finish my freaking whipped coffee, but I'm gonna go meet them out there. I have like a 10-minute window to try and meet up with them, and then we will try again when I get back. All right, I'm back home. While I was out, I realized what I was doing wrong. I was using just plain old ground coffee. You need instant coffee ground. Stupid on my part, but it explains why it wasn't working. But now we have instant coffee and we're gonna try again. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna give up and I don't know what I did wrong. All right, 2 tablespoons ground coffee. Spent 20 minutes this morning trying to do this same thing. This just worked in literally 30 seconds. Well, I'm very happy it's working. This is our finished product. Looks pretty great. All right, I'm gonna try it. I mixed it all up. It looks like a really big cup of coffee, because it is. This is the cup I've been drinking like water out of every day, and Hey Dad. And I kind of forgot that this is not like a normal drink size. This is literally as big as my head, so I hope that I like it, because otherwise this is just a lot. Ooh. This is really good. I added some vanilla creamer into the milk before I added in the coffee. That's good. My dad tried the whipped coffee dipped in chocolate. Took a piece of like dark chocolate bark and like dipped it in the coffee, and he said it was really good. So maybe it's something to try. I'm gonna have to give this also a thumbs up. Obviously the first time I did not know what I was doing, but once I got the instant coffee, it literally happened so quick, and it was so cool to like watch it happen. I'm giving it a thumbs up. So definitely would recommend trying this. It was so freaking easy to make once you got instant coffee. Don't get coffee grounds, you have to get instant coffee.